Definitely yes, because like you said, meeting people is something what I really find very helpful. So my call, I never had a certain plan or certain path that I had to follow. It all just happened, and then I just took it along the way. Firstly, like you said, meeting people. So graduation school is like a place where you meet people, and that's how you have to take most advantage of it. So getting into RoverX was something huge for me, especially because through RoverX is where I met a lot of my seniors and my peer mates, and each person is doing something very unique. So one of my seniors in RoverX, he started his own startup. Two of them have actually, and both of them are very succeeding a lot in what they do. And a few of my seniors have also gotten into universities abroad, and it's basically the interaction with people, their experiences and your experience, and it's not something that you can just get out of the blue. So it's like a place to meet, place to share experiences. So I guess graduation school will definitely help in that way. And of course the studying part, only when you have the pressure to do something is when you get most productive, according to me, that is. Because I keep taking up every opportunity that I have, but then sometimes it's just too much on my plate to handle. So, and then feeling guilty for not able to give my 100% at a particular thing because I'll be compromising at it. So, one thing that I've learned is I need to stick to what I can actually do and manage my time accordingly. I don't think there's any particular formula or algorithm. Basically, it depends on the person. But one thing that I've noticed is patience, because you can't get everything at once, right? So, like you said, startups failing, it could be because they hurried too much or they didn't wait for the right time. So maybe waiting for the right time could be something that can improve. And other than that, as I said earlier, the experiences, make sure that you talk to people, learn from them, because they are also like us. If they can be something, we can also be that something. I would go into accounting maybe, because that's something that I have managed in RoverX. So being in the management department, we had to handle a lot of finance, and that, like, learning to manage that was fun as well as challenging, and it's something that I could be doing. Another alternative. Me, I have this to-do list on my phone as my wallpaper every day. So whenever I open my phone, that's the first thing I look at. So with the and that's something I update every night, whatever I have to do for the next day. So as long as I know that most or all of it is checked out, or if I've completed the task by the night, then I know that okay, my day has been productive and I've been doing something. Otherwise, there's always the guilt of not able to complete, which will make you improve the next day. Well, so RoverX is part of this creation lab, which is in the IT. So in my first year, I had this event called Android or Apple Development Workshop, and I took part in that. So that's when I came to know about Creation Labs, and then I came to know about RoverX and all these other teams in Creation Labs. So I was definitely interested in being part of the lab. So that was like one of my goals I wanted to do. But unfortunately, like during the recruitment time, I was not available in campus. So I had to come back home for some emergency. So I missed the recruitments, and I mean that time, it didn't make much of a difference to me, because I was like, okay, I'll try something else. But then, thankfully, I joined another club called Venture City, and this other senior with me in Venture City, he was also part of RoverX. And through him, because RoverX needed more people in management, me and my friend, we got into RoverX. And that was honestly the best experience that I've had so far in my life. And the whole competition, everything is truly amazing. So we have this yearly competition in Utah, in USA.
Okay.
So that's where all the rover teams come together and compete. A similar version of that is conducted every year in India also, the Indian Rover Challenge.
Okay.
VIT conducted it first in 2017, and then we took part. This year it was in VIT Chennai.
Okay.
So I mean, it's very impressive to see so many teams come forward and put up their rover, and there are also many exchange of ideas that happens during the whole platform. And it was truly amazing to go through the whole experience of being a part of the team that builds Martian rovers. I guess firstly my parents were very supportive. They told me that I could do whatever I want. They had no limitations. So basically my whole family background, everybody is a doctor. Starting from my grandfather to all his children, to everyone. So I was the first person to move out of the doctor line, and they were very supportive. There was no pressure on me to, become a doctor. But then, yeah, I mean, that's medicine, and helping people in that way is something that I'm passionate about, but not by learning biology and not by doing surgery. So,
exactly.
The projects also, like apart from RoverX, I'm also in the startup called Illumnify Tech, which was started by an ex-member of RoverX. So Illumnify is an assistive technology startup. And one thing that interests me so much is the helping factor. So I guess that I get from my family because of the whole doctor nature. So most of my projects that I've done in school, in college and school, both are related to the medicinal field in one way or the other. Yeah, so my family has a huge support, and plus the seniors who, like even when I have like a bad day, they'll be like, no, it's okay, keep going. There's always a way out of this. So the push was much needed, more than I would have expected. And because like even my friends who stood by me, like, because of so much work, there'll not be enough time to give to each and every person individually. But my friends, they understood that, and they didn't expect, me to be very social, to come and sit in greenhouse every day. Like, yeah, they knew, I was busy. I had to get some shit done, and they were fine.